Hello everyone. In today video, we will learn about what is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous code. In easy manner, we will discuss about how what is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous code. So let's start. In JavaScript, the difference between synchronous and asynchronous code lies in how they execute tasks and handle operation. Synchronous code. Synchronous code execute tasks sequentially on one after the other. Each operation waits for the previous one to complete before moving on to the next. This can lead to blocking behavior where a time consuming task prevents subsequent task from running until it finished. Example console.log start simulating a time-consuming task. Or let I equal to 0, I is smaller than 1e9, I plus plus console.log in output start and end. In this example, the loop represents a blocking task. The end message won't be logged until the loop finishes. Asynchronous code. Asynchronous code allows tasks to be initialized and the continue executing without waiting for them to complete. This enables other operations to run concurrently, improving efficiency, specifically for tasks that involve waiting. Example: network request, file IO, console.log start set timeout, console.log timeout finished, console end. Then output should be as output here start in timeout finished. In this example, set timeout is used to uh, simulate as an uh, asynchronous task. The end message is logged immediately after a start without waiting for the timeout to finish after 1 second. Timeout finished is logged, demonstrating non-blocking behavior. Summary: synchronous code tasks run one after another, blocking subsequent tasks will complete. Asynchronous code tasks can start and continue without waiting for other to complete, allowing concurrent operation and involving improving efficiency. So this is all about the difference between synchronous code and asynchronous code. In if you talk about one line means synchronous code means the code run one by one, they cannot escape in line of the code, but asynchronous code can run one after one. If in between any line of code is is throwing any error or waiting time taking too much time, then they can move to another line. So this is asynchronous code. So this is all about the difference between synchronous code and asynchronous code. Let's we will in next video we will talk about how do we optimize JavaScript performance. So thanks for watching. For now, we will meet in the next video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.